Hey guys, it's Mathematics YT. Today we are going to solve some logarithmic equation. As always, if you guys are interested in this question, please pause a while and then try it for yourself. Let's start solving question A. In question A, we have log of x with the base 2 plus log of x with the base 3 plus is equal to log of x with the base 4. So the first step we are going to do is we are going to subtract this on both sides. So I get log of x with the base 2 plus log of x with the base 3 minus log of x with the base 4 is equal to 0. And what I'm going to do is I need to factorize this out. How I am going to factorize? Well, I want to present each term of this expression in form of log x with the base 10 over log b with the base 10, something like that. So let's start to convert this into in form of this. So I can get log of x over log of 2 plus log of x over log of 3 minus log of x over log of 4 is equal to 0. And then we are going to factorize x, the log of x r, because we have a log x, we have a log x right here, and we have a log x right here. So we can factorize it out. I can get log of x times 1 over log of 2 plus 1 over log of 3 minus 1 over log of 4 is equal to 0. Now we know that this is a constant, a number, so basically we just divide this term. So the remaining equation is log of x is equal to 0, and then we're going to represent it in exponential form. X is equal to 10 power of 0 because the log of x means like the log of x with the base 10. So if I transfer it to exponential form by making put both sides with the base 10, so x is equal to 10 power 0 and then x is equal to 1. So in question A, x is equal to 1. Let's start solving question B. Well, in question B, we have log of x with the base 2 plus log of 2 with the base x is equal to 2. Well, it is a little bit hard as we're going on to question C. So the first step we are going to do with this equation is I need to transform these two terms in form of this, as always. So I will get log of x over log of 2 plus log of 2 over log of x is equal to 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify these two fractions by joining it together, or we call it adding it together. So let's equate the denominator. So what I'm going to do is we have this log 2 and log x. So in this term we're going to times with log of x. So here also times with log of x, and here times log of 2, and here times log of 2. So we have a common denominator which will have the same denominator. So so we can simplify and adding, joining together as one term. So when we simplify this, I can get log of x square, this whole thing square, plus log of 2 square over log of 2 times log of x is equal to 2. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to multiply this term to here, so I will get log of x bracket square plus log of 2 bracket square is equal to 2 times log of 2 log of x. And then I'm going to make it over here to here, so I will get log of x square minus 2 times log of 2 times log of x minus log of 2 bracket square is equal to 0. Now in this familiar situation, we actually can factorize this whole term. So basically, after we factorize, I will get log of x minus log of 2 bracket square is equal to 0. Now I can solve for x. So log of x minus log of 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 0. Now plus minus square root of 0, which is still equal to 0. So log of x minus log of 2 is equal to 0, and then log of x is equal to log of 2. And then when we see this kind of situation, we basically just simplify, just cancel out the log. So x is equal to 2, and then we have found the solution for question B. X is equal to 2. So let's start solving question C. Well, if you guys had tried these 3 questions, you might notice that question C might be the hardest question among these 3 logarithmic equations. So let's start find the value of x. So the first step we're going to do is I am going to transform each of these logarithm terms in form of this. So I can get log of x over log of 2 plus log of 3 over log of x is equal to 4. And then adding together as one term, I will times here log of x, times here log of x, times here log of 2, times here log of 2. And then make the denominator same. So here equal to log of x bracket square plus log of 3 times log of 2 over log of 2 log of x is equal to 4. And then I will multiply this whole denominator to the other side. So I can get log of x bracket square plus log of 3 times log of 2 is equal to 4 times log of 2 times log of x. And then we are going to subtract this term. So log of x bracket square minus 4 times log of 2 times log of x plus log of 3 log of 2 is equal to 0. And then now look at this. I have this whole term here, log of x bracket square, and the second term I have log of x with a power of 1, and then the next term is just basically a constant, or we can say a number. So in this familiar situation, it is a quadratic equation but with the mix of logarithmic equation. So this will bring to here log of x is equal to this term log this is b, and then this is not b, this is the b. So negative times negative makes positive term. So 4 times log of 2 plus minus square root of negative 4 times log 2 bracket square, which will still makes it as 4 times log of 2 square minus 4 times 1, this is 1, times this whole term log 3 log 2 over 2 times 1, so it's equal to 2. And then I'm going to expand this out, so log of x is equal to 4 times log of 2 plus minus the square root of 16 times log of 2 bracket square minus 4 times log of 3 log of 2, this whole thing square root over 2, and then I can factorize 4 out. So log of x is equal to 4 times log of 2 plus minus. Now if we factorize 4 out, which will make as square root of 4 times the square root of the remaining term, and then the square root of 4 is 2, so plus minus 2 times the square root of 4 times log 2 bracket square minus log of 3 log of 2 over 2. And now this let's say this is one term, this is one term, we can factorize 2 out, and which will simplifies the 2. So log of x is equal to 2 times log of 2 plus minus the square root of, now 4 can be equal to 2 square, and then using law of indices combine it together, so 2 times log of 2 bracket square, and then I make the 2 drag it inside this log term, so it becomes 2 power 2, which makes 4. So plus minus log of 4 bracket square minus log of 3 log of 2, and then the final step is we are going to represent this logarithm into exponential form, which is 10 and then 10. So x is equal to 10 to the power of 2 times log of 2 plus minus the square root of log 4 square minus 4 times log of 3 times log of 2, and then we are going to simplify this number. How do we need to simplify the number? So now let's see here. Since there's a number multiplied with a log, So we basically just drag this number to here, so we have 2 square, which is 4. So x is equal to 10 with power of log of 4 plus minus the square root of log 4 bracket square minus 4 times log of 3 log of 2. And then we can see that this is also in the base 10. So then there's a base and then there's a log, and then the log is with the same base. We just basically just take the number here. So x is equal to 10 with power of log of 4 times 10 with power of plus minus the square root of log 4 bracket square minus 4 times log of 3 times log of 2. So this can be simplified. So x is equal to 4 times 10 with power of plus minus the square root of log 4 bracket square minus 4 times log of 3 times log of 2. So this is basically the solutions. Oh my god, this is just like too much to repeatedly write this thing down. So x is equal to 4 times 10 with power of the square root of log of 4 bracket square minus 4 times log of 3 times log of 2, and I would like comma here, and 4 over 10 power of square root of log 4 bracket square minus 4 times log of 3 times log of 2, and there we have the solutions. Question C. This is like the hardest among these 3 questions, but if you organize the calculations very well, then this question C means nothing to you. So if we want to represent it in number form, x is equal to, so the value of this thing is 11.745523, and then 1.362221, and so on. So this is the solution for x, and of course they are irrational. This is like pretty obvious answer. These two are rational, irrational numbers. So this is like very messy. You have to do a lot of stuff, and then I think I might just make a mistake. Did I just make my mistake? Yes, I make a mistake. This should not be 4. I'm sorry. Should not be 4. This is also not 4. Not 4. Not 4. Not 4. And not 4. So the true answer for this solution, I'm sorry, because the solution is really quite confusing and I just mess up. So but we just write more the 4 down, and then if I wrote the 4 down, then we can get incorrect solution. So the solution for this question C is 4 times 10 power of square root of log 4 bracket square minus log 3 log 2, and 4 over 10 power of square root of log 4 bracket square minus log 3 log 2, which will eventually, this will get this number and this will get this number. So guys, in the next video I will talking about how to find a value of a cone using integrals and at the same time I will teach you how to solve integrals with all of this, with all the process of proving the volume of a cone. Well, yeah, we know that the volume of a cone is 1 over 3 times pi r square h, but they have a lot of ways to prove it. So in the next video I will talk about that, and if you guys want to watch the next video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video.